Okay, let's say May last year, we were here and you are doubting. So the thing is, whatever happened, it has a pattern that it follows. It still happens. The same pattern repeats itself. So it happened in 2022. It's still gonna happen. It can happen tomorrow, after tomorrow. So it is a pattern. That is what makes it possible for us to actually use mechanical analysis or technical analysis to trade. So this is how you make $500 a day trading forex. It doesn't mean the specific day that you're set up. We have to be realistic, guys. You've been following me for long, you have to know how realistic I am. It doesn't mean that particular day you made your setup. It depends on which time frame you are, and whatever time frame you are, guys, you have to wait for the market to come to you. You don't have to rush the market. You're gonna lose. That is a fact. So what happens is, today we're going to do the setup, and then we see if we are having a trade or not. And if we are not having a trade, we wait for the market to come for us. So this is the setup. Basically, we did look for the key levels. So these are the key levels. The market is it's on a downtrend. And how did we know? It's because simply these are previous setups, guys. So simply, the market is trading below the moving average, so we know it's a downtrend. So we mostly look for sells and reversal confirmations and signals. So at this point, if we are looking for a sell here, where are we going out? That is the question. Where are we going out? We are supposed to get out here, but price seems to already reach that level. So if we continue to sell, which one is the next level? This is another level. So this is very important, guys. Knowing exactly where to put your TP, it's very important. If you watch my previous videos, you'll understand why I'm putting my TP there. So this is not supposed to be there. This is not supposed to be there. So guys, you see this because I practice every single day. Every day I do practice. That's why you still see levels from my previous practices. So this is another level. I don't know. I don't expect price to come right down here, but we are just putting it so that we don't come back again. This is how you prepare your setup, guys. And as you prepare, we are good already. There is no magic in this, guys. It's very simple. I've done it several times, so many times, so that it should be easy for you guys. That's why I'm putting it here and teaching you guys how to do it. So if we find a sell, then we'll be expecting to take profit here. So let's see if we got a sell here, guys. Okay, so we didn't get a sell. Okay, this might be a sell confirmation. This was a sell confirmation, and we were to take profit here. Actually, it almost hit, just 4 pips different, no, just 3 pips difference, which is good. So this is another sell confirmation, and if we are selling here, we are expected to take profit here. Let's see, we are going, well, our aim is 50 pips, guys, because with 50 pips, if you're having a 1:1000 leverage, then 50 pips will be 500 straight away. If it is a 1:100 leverage, 50 pips will only be 5 $5. Yeah, but as I said, it depends on your bank account. It depends on your trading account. So our target is 50 pips. With 50 pips, you can make $50,000. Banks can make billions, millions out of 50 pips. So it depends on the amount you trade with. But when I say banks, actually they don't trade like us. Banks, they trade like they have their own way of trading. They don't take that much leverage, not at all. They will take just a little bit of leverage, but will put a lot of money on it. So this is a sell confirmation, guys. So we're about to sell. 0461, we are entering at 0451. So we give 10 pips for the trade to breathe. So actually it is here we are supposed to take TP, which is, let's say, from 0451 to 49. That is already 100 pips, guys. That is 100 pips. Remember, we want to make $500. As I said, it depends on you how much you're having in your account. That would then make you that amount of pips. So so this is it, guys. Let's go. Our goal is 50 pips, but knowing that price might only reach here and go back, that will give us just 30 pips. But as I said, let's go for it. So okay, so it didn't trigger. That is one thing with the strategy, guys. Remember, if you are doing an execution, if you are executing market execution, if you are doing a market execution, this is what will happen. You would have just entered here saying, hey, price is going down. Then it goes against you and cut you out. That is why in this strategy, you only use stops, guys. You use stops. You don't want to use market executions, because why? You are always wrong, because you are always wrong when you are emotional, and you will take decisions based off 1 minute analysis or 5 seconds analysis. You just jump into the trade, into the chart. You see how price is going, maybe down or up. You just jump inside in the chart, and then you buy or you sell. That is why it's not advisable, guys, at all, to do market execution. You can only do market execution if you didn't put a sell stop, or your sell stop did not trigger. Then you follow up, you analyze, you see that, hey, this is supposed to have triggered. Then that is when you make a market execution. So at the end of the day, this didn't trigger, so we are good, we are fine. What we do is, it still gave us a buy signal, so we didn't lose anything. We are still in the trade. Our account is still intact. Our target is still there, so we are still going for our target. So this is a good buy confirmation. And 0608, we are going to 0618. That is where we put our buy confirmation, guys, our buy stop. So this should be giving us, this is a lot of pips. This is exactly 200 pips, guys. Exactly 200. Actually, it's 206 pips. Yep, 206 pips. If we want to be more realistic, we don't want to get the market reach a certain point, then get back and kill and clear our profits. So this is it, guys. So either 206 pips, or we get more realistic, we get out at 0.756, which is still about 100 plus pips, 130 something pips, or we get super realistic Then we just get out here with 20 pips. Yeah, with 20 pips, as I say, guys, that will be just 24 pips. It will be 24 pips. As I say, guys, that is how the strategy is all about. You have 3 steps. The choice is yours. You want to hold onto here. You want to hold onto here. As any other strategy, it comes with first TP, second TP, third TP. So the first TP is just 24 pips, second TP is like 130 pips, and then third TP is 206 pips. So all of this can possibly make you $500. It depends on, as I said, on you, your trading account, and your leverage. So this is it, guys. Let's go. I'm very confident with this one. We didn't make it here, but we're gonna make it here. Yep, this is so good, guys. For those who went for 24 pips, you already got your 24 pips. For those who went for 130 pips, you are in, you are on your way, you are already at wow, okay, you are already at 70 pips. So guys, we hit TP, we hit TP already. You don't want to reach here, guys, and you'll be like, no, I'm waiting for price to hit this one. No, when you reach here already, guys, when you reach here, you just got to, as usually, the same thing we do with here, putting our stops 10 pips after the last level, the highest level. You can still put 10 pips before your TP so that you don't miss out like we did here. And as I said, at this point, this is a daily time frame, guys. This is already, let's say, price. Okay, price close here that day at 0.10733 at 1.0733, and this is already 111 pips. So this is already 111 pips, which is already good. 111 pips in all circumstances will give you $500, $200, $50, whatever amount, depends on how you trade. So this is the simplest way, guys, you can make that amount of money per day. So it was not something to just, it was not a clickbait, it was real. And as you see, Euro USD, you can go and backtest yourself. Wednesday, like you can start from where did we start? We started from, yeah, Friday, May 22, Friday 13, May 2022. So that is it, guys. Same strategy you apply tomorrow, after tomorrow, next year, 30 years from today. You use the same strategy, it's still gonna work. So you'll be wondering, why are people not making a lot of money out there in forex? People are making a lot of money, guys. I personally am making money from forex. I'm living off forex in Dubai. I'm paying my bills from forex. I have not yet reached the Cubans levels. I've not reached those big Lamborghinis levels. But guys, I'm already at that way. I'm already on the way to reach that level. So I'm teaching you guys so that I don't get back, so that as I teach you, I learn, I practice, I push myself, and I put it out there, because everything I learned, it was from YouTube. I learned everything from YouTube, so I'm giving it back. So finally we hit our TP, guys. So finally we did hit our TP, and congratulations for those who held for 130 pips. You got your 130 pips. And for those who did hold, who wants to get the 206 pips? Let's see if they finally got it. Okay, no, they almost, but they didn't. As I said, guys, you shouldn't be greedy. That's why we put levels, and it worked out exactly as I said. Like, you want to be realistic, you put it here. You want to be more realistic, you take your 24 pips, you get out. But when you take here, you start crying. You leave all on the table, then you take a little and you start crying. So you only hold, as I said again, you can only hold if you find such a confirmation, because this is a big ass confirmation. It's one of my top class confirmation. It is what you will see in the lower time frame, the 15-minute time frame. What you see here is a double bottom. Yeah, it's a double bottom, very clean. So with this one, I was very confident that we are not just gonna end here. We can reach at the second TP. So this is the easiest way you can make $500, guys, and more. I limit myself to $500 because I know most people out there, they have just at most $1,000 account. They have at most $200 account, $500 account. So for those who have $10,000 account, this can actually give them $5,000. You have $20,000, this will actually give you $10,000. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe so that you get more updates from me and this channel. And thank you. Stay rich, stay connected. See you again.